What is going on, guys? It's Dylan here. Today we'll be going over a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol SENS, senseonics. Before we get into the price action, the levels, the indicators, where I think the stock price might go, I just want to let you know that I am bullish on the company. So with that being said, let's hop right into the video. So you do see right away that we did set a a higher low, right? We did set a higher high. So that does look very, very nice, as we have been setting lower lows and lower highs this whole way down. So I do like that a lot. Higher lows and higher highs is the definition of a downtrend. So if we can get this stair step like effect, that will be very nice for the bulls, sorry, people that are holding the stock. We did break out of this descending wedge, which did trap a lot of people, as we did have a descending wedge right here, which we did break out of to the downside, right? The seller's points, the resistance right here was whacking the price down, and the buyer stepped in here, and the cycle repeated all the way down until there's a massive explosion within the apex, which is just when the pattern ends, basically, right? Just running down what a descending wedge is, really roughly, if you don't know what it is. So yeah, we did break out of that. We went up about 27%, and now we're right here. So it does look pretty good. We are trading in an upwards manner. We're sticking within these channels. So I want to see, if I were to trade the stock, or I was keeping watch on the stock, I would be making sure that we're staying within these channels, slowly marching up the chart, as we did give back a lot. We definitely did give back a lot on this, run up, but we did run up so fast, it kind of did make sense, as we are undersold in the RSI. Not quite, actually, but we're right in the middle. We're a little bit below 50, which I like my stock to be in the 50 to 70 range, personally. So it's looking pretty good in the RSI. Definitely has room to run. We were really overbought, is what I was trying to say over here. We were very overbought, so you saw a stock drop accordingly. I don't really see any candle patterns within here. Really just flat candles for the most part. Pretty strong. We are, in a range right now of the $1.98 and that $2. We're just consolidating. So we'll see which support and resistance holds up there. These are all the supports and resistances, by the way, if you want to know what I've mapped up. Right, so it does look pretty nice, right? I do think that there is a lot of room to run, as we have been beat down super hard over these last few months, all the way back from $5.90. Never really saw a significant recovery. So, if we can start a higher low, higher high trend, and we're marching up the chart with some bullish momentum, then I do think this could be the start of a potential big move, as we have gave back a lot. If I do go to the weekly too, you saw that we were extremely overbought on the RSI, but that did cool all the way back down, which is pretty nice, right? I do like that we're not overbought in the weekly. So on the 4-hourly, I'm just gonna look. You see, a doji followed by another doji, followed by a hammer candle, and then just a little bit of a wide bar. So basically, these candles are pretty indecisive. I wish I could, tell you some patterns, or some candlestick patterns or whatnot, what I see, but there really isn't nothing, too apparent. You could say, oh, there's a bearish engulfing, there's a bearish engulfing, but really we're consolidating very lightly, so the context really doesn't matter, as we have been uptrending off a bearish pattern, right? So there's not much to see there. I think as of right now, we just gotta keep a watch to see if we're trading within this range for the bears, for people that are trying to short it, right? If we break this, it will be pretty nicely, and if we do trade within this range and we kind of thin it out, which it kind of looks like we might, right? Say we thin out to that, that would be a falling wedge, and then at that point, you'd be watching to see what would happen if we were to break out or we were to break down. So with that being said, the volume does look not too bad. I will pull that up right now. You do see a upgrade in the volume, but today is pretty lackluster. That's why you see very just like, not too action-packed stock stock price, right? It's just, kind of consolidating, trading sideways, which isn't too bad, right? It's trading sideways, so it is gradually going up, but there's not a lot of volume, so not a lot of action to drive that, as there was tons of volume over here, as there was a little bit of a short squeeze, right? So if we go to the daily, sorry about that, and then we just delete all these lines, sorry about that as well. You do see that right away, we did kind of give up this support line, which I definitely don't like. We gave up that crucial support. Can we get back above this? I don't know, but that would be very nice, as this general region is some pretty solid support that we were kind of looking to hold, and we failed. That's why you saw just such a slow drop, as there really is no support along these ranges. But now, since we bottomed out, you could say there's support now. So you could say that $1.78 mark, which I will move up a little bit, right there, $1.80. So that will be the support, as you do see one candle wick touching, right? The body touching, right? So we get 3 touches, so that is validated. And you get a touch point over here, which is very nice. So that will be the level to keep an eye on, as well as the lows, which are right here. So with that being said, I don't want to waste any of your time. If you want to like, subscribe, I definitely appreciate that. I will be making these videos daily. So if you guys want to keep making, if you guys want me to keep making these SENS, senseonics videos, definitely let me know. Definitely will if you guys want me to. I like the company. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to take it easy. Hope you are too. I'm out. Peace.